What's up guys? All good? My name is Jack. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the ProNail Complex before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the ProNail Complex works. What is a ProNail Complex? ProNail Complex is an intricately formulated natural blend that merges potent oils and skin revitalizing vitamins. Crafted by medical professionals, this fine mist disperses its ingredients and microparticles, ensuring deep penetration into both skin and nails. Picture yourself indulging in a truly refreshing self-care experience with ProNail Complex. This groundbreaking blend is meticulously tailored to provide intense and revitalizing nourishment, fortifying your nails and enhancing skin health. By selecting ProNail Complex, you're opting for comprehensive and efficient nail and skin care. Immerse yourself in the potency of natural components combined with medical expertise, and unveil a fresh approach to self-care. ProNail Complex Reviews. In this video, I'll delve into ProNail Complex, an innovative and natural formula. ProNail Complex, designed by medical professionals and experts, blends potent oils and rejuvenating vitamins, dispersed in microparticles via a mist spray for deep skin and nail penetration. Its natural composition strengthens nails, stimulates cell renewal, and enhances the condition of surrounding skin, yielding visible and enduring outcomes. Does ProNail Complex work? ProNail Complex performs exceptionally well. Its potent formula is the key to its proven efficacy. By fusing highly potent oils and essential vitamins, this product delivers visible and lasting outcomes. Through microparticles released by the mist spray, ProNail Complex penetrates deeply into skin and nails, fortifying nails, encouraging cell renewal, and enhancing overall skin health. Moreover, the ProNail Complex formula, meticulously crafted by medical professionals and specialists, ensures utmost efficacy and safety. Its natural elements are selected for their ability to nourish, repair, and shield, delivering noticeable results in a brief time frame. By integrating ProNail Complex into your personal care regimen, you're investing in the health and beauty of your nails and skin. Embrace the confidence of flaunting stronger nails and radiant skin, courtesy of the transformative prowess of ProNail Complex. ProNail Complex benefits: nail strengthening. The potent components in the formula bolster nails, reducing the likelihood of breakage or chipping. Growth promotion. By nourishing nails and skin with vital vitamins, ProNail Complex fosters healthy nail growth. Skin hydration. The formula is also formulated to moisturize and nourish skin surrounding the nails, leaving it softer and better hydrated. Damage repair. If your nails suffer damage from excessive chemical use or other factors, ProNail Complex aids in repair and revitalization. Protection from environmental stressors. By fortifying nails and surrounding skin, ProNail Complex shields against damage from environmental stressors such as harsh chemicals or extreme weather conditions.